Hello everyone, we're here at the Wroxham Marina with Norfolk Boat Sales with this beautiful Viking 20. We've got quite a few Viking 20s for sale here at Wroxham. This one is the Highline, so the highest spec Viking. She was built in 2009 and she's fitted with a Tohatsu 20 horsepower EFI, so that's electric fuel inject, what all the newer models of outboards have, and she's a 4-stroke as well. Now the boat includes 12-volt power, hot water and cold water, and then we'll go inside and see the gas hob, oven, grill, fridge. So it's got everything on board you need to stay on board. Accommodating 4 berths, so you know, plenty of room on board for a 20-foot boat. First thing, canopy is in good condition. That's always something to look out for when you're buying a boat. What condition is the canopy in? This one's in good conditions, built by Jekylls, which are just next door to us. So yeah, very well presented boat. Upholstery inside is still in good condition. And then as you see along the side, you've got pulpit rails, grab rails to hold all the way to the bow of the boat. And you've got your water to fill up at the front. Obviously stainless cleats, hatch, navigation light. So we'll head into the cockpit and just a first look inside. And then your view as the captain. So stepping on board, you'll have a grab rail to hold, and then another grab rail to hold, or the easiest one is to hold onto the seat. And then you're inside, and there's plenty of room in the cockpit as well for a 20-foot boat. It's very impressive. So yeah, lovely upholstery. Goes with the canopy. Your storage under here with your batteries. Or batteries under this one, and then under here would be your gas. Yeah, very nice. Your gauge is here, obviously telling you how much power you've got, and then a solar panel there just to top up the batteries when you're not using her. So yeah, lovely view from the captain's perspective. And then nice bit of sunlight to come through the top bit of the canopy there. So a very light and airy boat, very well presented as well, you know, lovely and tidy. Switches there, the boat. So yeah, we'll head on down into the saloon. So here you've got your electric fridge, and then your oven and grill. And then on here, you've got your gas hob, and then your hot and cold pressurized water. So this is all quite modern. And then your boat safety stuff there. Inside here, we've got the toilet and shower. So shower again, hot and cold water. And then you've got your toilet, which is a manual flush. So no electrics to go wrong. Just simple. The next thing as well, obviously paperwork stuff there. This converts into a double berth, giving you the 4 berths on board the boat. So this goes down. It can be, you know, where you're eating your meals and stuff in the evening, cup of tea. And then the table folds down and these cushions make the infill. So it's, you know, a double bed there. And then you've obviously got your main double at the bow of the boat here, forward. So this is, you know, lovely big sized bed, plenty of room. So comfortably, I'd say 2 berth on board in one cabin, and then obviously 4 berth in one cabin. So 2 berth comfortably, but you can have the option for a 4 berth as well. So very tidy and simple boat, built by Viking, who we are the main dealers for. So we'll start her up and take her for a spin. Now, the view driving this boat, so very good. You've got great visibility. And manoeuvring this boat again, I'll turn fully to starboard and can spin this boat round completely. There's no need really at all for bow thruster. See down here, the engine, and she is lovely and quiet. So yeah, we can spin her around very easily. So as you've just seen, she's quite easy to manoeuvre. When you're going to moor up, like I'll show you in a minute, it's just a case of taking things slowly. Better to bump into something than to smash into something. But with this boat being quite light, it's quite easy to manoeuvre. And again, when you get to the mooring, it's quite easy to hop off and hold the boat and move her in by hand. Being 20 foot and quite light. But travelling down the river now, when the engine's in, forwards or reverse, she won't tend to get blown around by the wind. It's just the case if you're stationary, that's when the wind will affect you. So when you're going to moor up, just taking things slowly, and you'll be all okay. Now, travelling down the river now, she's beautifully quiet, so I don't need to shout at all, and everyone in the cockpit can have a nice conversation. There's no vibration as well. That's the great thing, obviously being a new or newish outboard. She no vibration whatsoever, and nice and quiet. For the Broads, that's perfect. And you don't need a big engine. The 20 will do enough. I can give it the max power now, and she'll get a move on. But in terms of cruising down the Broads, she's lovely and quiet. Now we've got a selection of Viking 20s here at Wroxham. We've got, I think, about 4, and then we've got a million other Viking boats. Obviously, being the main dealers for Viking, we are the best place to buy a Viking. We've got great history with the brand. Worked with them for a number of years now. David, who is in charge of the Wroxham office, he has years of experience with the Viking boats. So if you're looking to buy a Viking, certainly give us a call at Norfolk Boat Sales Wroxham. David will be the expert on what boat would be best for you. And that's the great thing with the Vikings. Here at Wroxham, we've got basically the whole selection, from brand new 300 all the way down to the Viking 20s. So if you're looking to buy, a new or used Viking, give us a call at Wroxham on 01603 781178, or send us an email to wroxham@norfolkboatsales.co.uk, or just pop in to sunny Wroxham.
Do you not get the concept?